What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Well guys, I have a pending review that I have to do. This is a sponsored product from Auxito, and basically guys, I have an LED low beam bulb, and at the same time we also have a rear tail light LED light that we'll be installing as well. I'm not sure I'm going to put this in, but since we're actually working on the Honda Civic, 2011 Honda Civic here, 8th Gen Honda Civic, we needed some light bulbs, so I figured I'll use this one. So anyways, we're gonna install this in here and see how well it's gonna work. In the process, we have already removed the bumper for one, and we've gotten the left side headlight here. But anyways, to show you how this also will be replacing. So the other thing is, like, Honda really just sucks in this case, because there's no room to put your hand in there to even just to replace a bulb. So since we're at it now that we got everything out, we figured that we'll replace the headlight with the low beam with the LED lights. But to do so, I had to remove this whole thing. So anyways, basically there's bolt here that you need to remove, which we've already loosened up. And then over there, I have one over here that I've already loosened up. Oops. So it's just one up here that's holding this brace here. And also this one I need to remove in this case. And then we have one more right at the bottom here, which is crazily tucked in. You got one right in here somewhere. It's hard to tell, but it's just right up there. Get this headlight out. Again guys, it's not a how-to video. I'm just reviewing the LED light that Auxito has provided me. Auxito has been they've been pretty helpful for me. They pretty much sponsors a lot of my light bulbs, headlights for my cars. And before this falls off, I'm gonna put this back for now, temporarily. Okay. Again, I can't believe that we have to remove the whole headlight just to do a bulb replacement. It's coming off here pretty soon. Can't believe we have to go through this extra mile just to get this thing up. Change the bulbs in that case. Alright, so guys, it's a little hard to finagle this thing out. But anyways, we managed to take it out. Just gotta work it out this way to get it out, because there's so many snag points here. But anyways, we just wanted to test this out, because make sure that it works before. Man, this is so hard to remove. Come on, doesn't even come out. Anyways, let me get this thing out, guys, and show you when it's done. All right, guys, I'll do a bit of an unboxing here for you. So basically, yeah, coincidentally, while we're working on this car, the bulbs, they both just died. So interesting. So anyways, it's a perfect timing, because now we can actually do this. So what we have here, we have, see, nice gloves to make sure that we don't touch the bulbs properly, so they don't die on us here. So here's the two LED bulbs that came with the Auxito product, and we'll just install it in and see how it goes. Manual, zip tie, we don't need those, but anyways, we'll install this and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, we got both of the LED lights hooked up now. We just want to test it out before we go too far with it. So you got the other one here. Let's turn it on and see how it goes. All right.
Oh.
Hold them on.
Yeah.
Nice and bright.
Yep.
Wow, so bright, guys. Looking nice. I like it. Both of them works just fine. So anyways, we'll put them in, finalize it, and get it all in place. All right, just trying on their gloves and see how this fits. That's actually nice and weight. So now I'm gonna install this thing. I'm gonna show you guys what the bumper is looking like here with the Civic, our 8th gen Civic here. We are retrofitting our fog lights in here instead of just a mesh, and there is actually a aftermarket that you can get to replace that with an actual fog light, so it's looking a lot better. And at the same time, we have installed it already, so that way we're ready to put it back in the Civic there. As you guys can see, I just want to show you our looms are already in place. So we got all our wirings already tucked in here, around here. And then, so that way once we're put everything together, we can easily just hook it in from here. Well, everybody, we got our bumper back in place and our full headlights assembly here. We got our LED light installed for our headlights now for low beam, and I'm going to take the car down here pretty soon, and we shall check it out and see how good that LED light is in this beautiful Honda Civic. Guys, here's the final product. As you guys can see, nice and bright now. Our Auxito LED lights here, low beam. It's awesome. I can't complain, guys. That's looking nice. I'm gonna take the car out for a ride and see how that looks like, how bright it is from the street point of view. That's beautiful, guys. Here we go, guys. This is how bright our new LED lights here. Pretty good. That's really nice, guys. I can see quite a bit now. No problems here. Visibility definitely has improved. So yeah, we'll definitely run this and yeah, and see how it is, and I'll give you guys a review after 6 months or so to a year, and see how well this LED light holds up on us. The one I installed in the Jetta, it was there. It was okay for 2 years, but it basically died on us there. So hopefully this will stay a little longer than the Jetta LED light. So anyways, guys, I'm just gonna take the car out for a ride and see how well I could see in the dark here. There it is, guys, in the complete darkness. Not too bad. My driver's side is a little tilted down, so I'm gonna do some adjustment here a little bit. But other than that, it's way better now, guys. It's a lot definitely brighter than it used to. So stay tuned.